Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Avatar The Last Airbender Season 2, episode 40. I just watched the episodes 12 and 13. If you want to see my reaction videos about that, I'm gonna put the link into the I watched them today because I thought that they were working together. At least for me, they were presented like they were working together. So I really organized my day and all. Like, I have to watch them together for sure. It has to be like that, and I was preparing myself also mentally for that because episodes which are working together in Avatar. I thought that it was gonna be big, you know, big stuff happening into it, maybe emotional ones, and in fact, you know, I had tears during the episode 12, but it was good ones. It was because of the fact that Aang was back in a way, was less mad and understood that what he did is wrong and that he has to have hope. Still now you can have hope for the future and all. So it was good tears, but except for that, no really big emotions. And for the big stuff that happened, I mean, we managed to destroy that weapon, that's great. But you know, it was one story that began during the first episode and which already ended during the next one. We had a new fight against Azula and the girls. We won and we managed to escape, so that's it. It's also resolved for that situation. I didn't understand why they were working together for me, you know, as they were presented, and also maybe if it's the case, if they were really presented as working together, why really? Because with this season 2, each episode is working like that, you know, we have one story during an episode, but in fact it's included into the big story. It was already the case during the season 1, but it's more obvious during the season 2, and we have a cliffhanger at the end about something that we're gonna have and resolve during the last episode, and you know, stuff like that. We are jumping like that from an episode to an episode. So here they did the same for the episodes 12 and 13. So I'm a little disturbed by that, like, was it just for me or not? I'm gonna see that during the editing, you know, I'm gonna make my researches during that moment, because I'm not making any researches about the episodes that I didn't watch yet before watching them, you know, to avoid spoilers and all. So I didn't know, I thought, and in fact no, it's like that. Maybe in fact I made myself a trap by keeping this episode 14 to finish, because it's gonna be a big one. We're supposed now to, that's it, to go into Ba Sing Se, to discover Ba Sing Se, the city, and I'm really excited about it, about discovering that city. But now I think also that if we have an entire episode about that, about discovering the city, it can mean that big stuff are gonna happen, because we're gonna discover what happened to Appa. And I'm worried about the conditions, you know, how he's treated. I'm sure that he's alive and okay, but how he's treated, I'm not sure of it. We're gonna discover also the king of the Earth Kingdom. Is he gonna be nice with us or not? Is it gonna be difficult to meet him or not? Is he expecting us? You know, we had this Earthbender general at some point who was mad that the Avatar was not helping them already, that it could have helped them earlier. So I'm worried also about that for Aang and for the Earth King, how he's gonna be with Aang. And we have Jet, who discovered that Zuko and Iroh are firebenders, and I think that is this close to discover that they are also from the royal family and all, who they are truly, because they said it, Zuko and Iroh, the Fire Nation is searching for them, but also the Earth Kingdom. Their faces are everywhere, so people are gonna discover quick who they are, no? If Jet is gonna learn who they are, I'm scared of what he's gonna do with this information. Now that we know that he's trying to find a redemption, to do the right stuff and all, he's still on the resistance, but he's gonna arrest them. We'll see. Or maybe because of the fact that he wants to have a second chance and to do right stuff, maybe he's gonna discuss with them and understand what they are doing, which could be great, because I'm not sure that Zuko even knows himself what he's doing right now, what he wants. I'm not sure that you're still searching for the Avatar, to capture the Avatar, to have your place back. You know that Azula lied to you by telling you that your dad wants you back. I'm not sure that he has hope, you know, Zuko to have his place again near to his dad. I think that he's beginning to understand that he can't. He knows that he has to fight his sister. He even trained himself, you know, with Iroh for that, for fighting Azula, for defending himself against Azula, at least with the electric stuff, the lightning stuff. So, I don't know. You see, I'm worried for this episode because of the 2 months before being like that. So we're gonna discover Ba Sing Se. I cannot wait to see that city. I'm really excited by it. We are waiting to see that city since beginning of the season 1, since the first time that they mentioned it. The fact that Iroh also tried to conquer it, I think that it's gonna be important for sure. I hope that no one is gonna recognize him. And I'm waiting, you know, to see if it's gonna bring memories to Iroh or not. It's at this place, you know, that he lost his son. So maybe we're gonna have, yes, memories with his son. When we had this memory with him and his son as a kid, it was already really emotional for me. So if we are seeing his son dying, or, you know, a memory like that during this episode, it's gonna be worst for me. And yes, I'm waiting to see the city, how it looks like Bumi's city or not. Is it bigger? And I'm gonna see that right now with this episode. Again, if you're discovering that on YouTube, you have to know that you're late on Patreon. They had this episode at least 2 weeks earlier. Maybe now it's even more than that. Go check the description. I told you that on the description. I told you also on the description if I put the extended or the full reaction part on Patreon. That's the privileges if you are following me on Patreon. The episodes sooner for binge watching like that, you know, with episodes which are out since a long time, and with longer reaction part. For Avatar, for the last episodes, it was at least 6 minutes longer. And with, you know, the screen more present. Okay, let's go for this episode. I really hope that it's gonna be a cool one. Cool. Not too emotional. City of Wars and Secrets. Wow! It's big! Oh, it has suburbs.
Hello, my name is Judy. I have
Who are
been
you?
given the great honor of showing the Avatar around Ba Sing Se. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Who is truly sending you? If the king would know that the Avatar is right there, he wouldn't have just sent a woman to give a tour, you know?
You're in Ba Sing Se now. Everyone is safe here.
Why do I have trouble to believe
This
him?
is Ba Sing Se has many walls. There are the ones outside protecting us, and the ones inside that help maintain order. As well as our craftsmen and artisans, people that work with their hands. It's so quaint and lively.
It doesn't seem so. You're putting people according to how rich they
This is
are?
why I never came here before. I always heard it was so different from the way the monks taught us to live.
For sure! It's shocking me. Oh, Jet.
Firebenders living right under everyone's nose.
I thought we were starting over here, changing our ways.
We are. When I get the evidence I need, I'll report them to the police and let them handle it, okay?
You're so predictable.
This is the middle ring of Ba Sing Se, home to the financial district, shops and restaurants, and a university.
He took us to an ancient underground library where we discovered information about the war that is absolutely crucial for the king to hear.
Yes!
Isn't history fascinating?
badass.
Those men are agents of the Dai Li, the cultural authority of Ba Sing Se.
The cultural authority.
Now,
Oh, I really don't appreciate that.
here we
It
are.
sounds really fascist, you know, the way of dealing with stuff. Like they are keeping the traditions in place. People are separated because of how rich they are not. Or other reasons, like they are deciding. Are they blocking him in a way, the king? At least during that time we can search for her.
Where would they go? Where's the black market? Who runs it? That would be illegal.
And which of your professors could we ask about the war with the Fire Nation?
I don't know.
I swear I hate what's happening on that city. To see, guys, that all of these persons are nervous.
Why don't you go get some rest? Someone will be over with dinner later.
Yes, leave us.
What's going on with the city? Why is everyone here so scared to talk about the war?
War? Scared? I don't want to get into trouble.
I understand, but please.
Shh. Whatever you do, stay away from the Dai Li.
I'm sick of tea. Sick of tea? That's like being sick of breathing.
Same, Iroh, same.
You're not there. You'll have to firebend, old man.
Please
Where you go?
don't.
I borrowed our neighbors. Such kind people.
I know how we're gonna see the Earth King. How are we supposed to do that? One doesn't just
At a
pop in
special
and-
event, maybe?
The king is having a party. We can sneak in with the crowd. I've got no manners. You're not exactly Lady Fancy Fingers.
Show your feet!
I learned proper society behavior and chose to leave it.
You can teach us.
Good evening, Mr. Soccer Water Trap. Momonis.
Oh, your mom will know. You're gonna eat.
We're fine.
Oh, I want to play that game. You look great, girls.
We've been talking, and we think you're becoming obsessed with this.
Mm-hmm.
We came here to make a fresh start. But you won't let us go, even though there's no real proof.
Well, maybe if you'd help me. Have you forgotten about how the Fire Nation left us all homeless? How they wiped out all the people we loved? If you don't want to help me, I'll get the evidence on my own.
You want a fresh start because you regret what you did? No?
I'm tired of waiting. These two men are firebenders.
Don't react.
I saw the old man eating his tea.
He works in a tea shop.
He's a firebender, I'm telling you.
Drop your swords, boy.
Yes, you're gonna be arrested.
I'll give you a show.
Guys, please win without using your bending.
Invitation, please.
I think this will do.
No entry without an invitation.
You're showing another time who you are, from what family you are.
I'm sorry to bother you, but my cousin lost our invitation.
I am honored. Please come with me. Where is your family? I'd love to meet them.
I don't see him right now, but I'm sure we'll find him soon. Thanks for all your help.
Escort, it would be dishonorable to abandon you ladies without finding your family first. We'll keep them.
Ew.
You must be getting tired of using those swords. Why don't you go ahead and firebend at me?
Don't Zuko, please. Oh, you're so good. And I love what just happened.
What are you doing here? You have to leave immediately or we'll all be in terrible trouble.
Shut up, you.
Not until we see the king.
You must go.
Oh! You're showing that you're the avatar? Boo. Momo. You're gonna be presented to the king now.
Arrest them! They're firebenders!
No. I mean, yes, but shh.
This crazy kid attacked the finest tea maker in the city. Oh,
Ah.
that's very sweet.
Are you gonna let them
You don't
arrest
understand!
Jet?
The Fire Nation! You have to believe me!
We're glad that Jet was stopped, but being arrested for that, having trouble because of the fact that he was right.
Let me go!
No, don't arrest Sokka. All the girls? Don't touch me.
I'm Long Feng, Grand Secretary to Ba Sing Se and head of the Dai Li. I'd like to talk to you. Your friends will be waiting for us in the library.
We don't want to see you, we want to see the king.
Your king has no time to get involved with political squabbles and the day-to-day minutiae of military activities. What's most important to His Royal Majesty is maintaining the cultural heritage.
No, it's what's most important for you, to be sure that nothing is gonna change, never into your precious city.
Including the military.
He's your puppet.
Oh, no.
We found out about a solar eclipse that will leave the Fire Nation defenseless.
The war not be mentioned within the walls. Constant news
Your
of
walls.
information for the citizens of Ba Sing Se into a state of panic. You're safe now.
Huh? What?
There's no war in Ba Sing Se.
He's trying to hypnotize you.
Ba Sing Se remains a peaceful, orderly utopia. The last one.
That's another kind of dictator.
Here, we are free.
You can't keep the truth from all these people. They have to know.
You mention the war to anyone, you will be expelled from the city. I understand you've been looking for your bison. It would be quite a shame if you were not able to complete your quest.
What? You know where Appa is?
Come with me.
To say something like that, you have to
What
know.
happened to Judy? I'm Judy.
You're not Judy. Why did you lie to me? In fact, the episode 14 and 15 are working together, not really the episodes 12 and 13. Now I want to see the episode 15, really. Because during this episode we discovered the hell that is Ba Sing Se, and during the next episode we're gonna resolve that situation. Oh, but I don't have the time to watch one more episode today. Don't like that. I don't like that city. I mean, it's a big one. It's a beautiful one. No. I preferred Bumi City, you know, Omashu. I preferred it a lot. How it was built, you know, the architecture behind that, the fact that everything was falling, you know, with the things, that was so good. Right there. How it's built and how it's functioning, it's the same. They are separating people with walls. The more you are progressing, the more you have money. And I can imagine that it can be also because of other things, because of what you believe in, because of what you think, your political ideas. Not even your political ideas, because right there, Jet, they were hypnotizing him, so he's gonna switch his mind, you know, his ideas. Believe in what you believe. There is no war in Ba Sing Se. It's such, you know, a protected city, and they managed since so long to be far from the war, to be safe into that city, that they managed to let people think that nothing from the war can touch them and all, and the ones who maybe doubted of it, they brainwashed them, they hypnotized them. I hate that city. I'm so disappointed. You know, after discovering Omashu and after having all of these characters talking about Ba Sing Se since the first episodes, you know, of the first season, I really wanted to discover it, I was excited about it, but I'm so disappointed and mad. What an awful city. Again, how it's built, how it looks like, because of, in fact, how it's functioning. To separate people like that, to not give, you know, to everyone the same freedom and also the same things in life. With an organization like that, no one can evolve, no one can change his life. If you're beginning, you know, into a part of the city, the poor one, you're not gonna evolve, you can't change. And all of that, you know, about the daily, the fact that it's to keep the cultural things intact, it's to keep your old ways of functioning intact, like nothing is never gonna change. It's really a fascist way, you know, to see things, to do politics. It's really like a protectionist way of doing things, like, I'm searching for the good word for that in French. it's really a conservative way of thinking of stuff, and it's really a fascist way to do it. It's all about keeping the old traditions and cultures in place, to not change, to separate people, to act like the world behind the walls doesn't exist. They are just thinking about themselves. He said it, the only thing that matters for the daily is to be sure that they're gonna be alright, they're gonna be protected, and nothing is gonna change that. You are arresting people who are not thinking like you, and you are hypnotizing them, brainwashing them. I'm almost sad, for Jet, because like I said, when he was arrested, I wanted him to be stopped, because of course I want Zuko and Iroh to be okay, to be safe. But if you are thinking of it, Jet, he saw firebenders, the Fire Nation, it's the enemies, he saw firebenders into Ba Sing Se, an Earth Kingdom city, capital. He thought that maybe they were gonna do something wrong, so he kept an eye on them, and when his friends were doubting of him, he acted impulsively and attacked them. But can you really blame Jet for that? I can blame him for his motives, because I thought that he was doing that to arrest them, to do what is good, because he wanted a second chance, he wanted a new life. But what he said to his friends, it was more like the old Jet, we are doing that because of what the Fire Nation did to us. I mean, that was the reasons for being into the resistance, and all of the extreme things that he did as the resistance during his episode during the season 1. And I already said it, I understand his reasons, I just don't agree with his principles, his ideas, and how far he's going to do what he thinks is good. That's really a moral question about the resistance and how far can you go and all. I think that it's an interesting question, in time of war. But right there I thought that we were over with that, with Jet being like that and taking these reasons to justify what he's doing. I really thought that going into Ba Sing Se for Jet, it meant a new life, because he regretted what he did right there, as a resistance, the extreme things that he did. I didn't like, how he justified what he did during this episode. But I'm almost sad for him being brainwashed like that. I almost hope that Zuko is gonna help him, because Zuko, you understand that this guy was arrested because he wanted to tell the truth. That's wrong? No! I'm really like you, Aang. I hated that city. I understand that it's really the contrary of what the monks taught you, and it's really the contrary of how I'm seeing good societies, how a good society, a good politic government thing should organize things. You and I right there, and we were the same. It was really making us sad and mad how everything was functioning. Sokka, he was focused on we have to give the information at each moment, so we did not have really his thoughts about how this city was functioning. Katara, a little the same, she was more focused on that. Toph, she was more like, we're back on an Earth city, and it's a city, we have to respect rules, we have to do like people want us to do, we are less free. She had also to put that dress, that makeup and all, to act like she was before, to play that game, that role that she doesn't like to play. She made still some lines, funny lines to Sokka. We know, girl, what you think of Sokka, in fact. I'm really waiting to see the next episode. Right there, to see what is gonna happen really to Jet. Maybe Zuko is gonna intervene. To see also what is gonna happen with Daily. Please do something about it. I really think that they are blocking the king. Who is a kid? No, if I'm remembering it correctly, the king is a kid. Or am I mixing other shows right there with this one? Why do I think that he's a kid? I'm beginning to think that I'm taking that information in another show or movie with a king. Because I can see two characters saying stuff like, so it means that he's a kid. Yes, he is a kid, but he's a good ruler, you know, because he's taking all of the things from his past lives. So no, it's not into the Avatar. Oh! He's not a kid at all. The king into that show, into Avatar, is not at all a kid. I'm confusing it with not a show, but D&D, Dungeons and Dragons stream that I'm watching right now. I'm catching up on all of the episodes, you know, when I'm eating, when I'm also preparing my food, when I'm washing myself, you know, my teeth and all. I'm watching that D&D stream. I'm catching up on episodes. So during the 2 last months, I saw 4 seasons of this stream. So really I watched them a lot, and into this universe they have a king who is in fact a kid, and 2 characters were talking about it like he's a kid, but in fact it's not something important, the fact that he's a kid, because he took the knowledge and the things about his past lives. And that's why I think I confused it with Avatar. When I saw that, you know, into the D&D stream, I thought of Avatar, you know, the thing about the past lives. And I think that during the night, you know, my inconscience mixed everything right there. I'm sorry. No, okay, the king right there is not a kid. But still, they are blocking him, they are hurting him. For him to not be there, to be so useless and all, it's even more confusing and making me worried. The fact that the king is not a kid, in fact. I'm sorry for the confusion that I made. I think that during the episode, during the reaction part, I'm gonna put subtitles why I did that mistake. Because some of you are gonna be like, what? What is she talking about, really? Nothing is right. I'm not playing D&D, but since a year now, I think, I'm watching 2 streams, 2 French streams, which are playing D&D, and I'm really into it. And 2 months is now that I'm really into that one. I want to finish it soon. I'm gonna finish it. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for that. But see, you have to hear my review to know the explanation of that. And to know now, if you didn't read that on my Twitter, because I also told you that on my Twitter, that I'm watching some D&D streams, even if I never played to D&D myself. I'm gonna stop today to watch Avatar, that's it. So it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Hey.